Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, back here with another video. Today we're near Corsica, South Dakota for a auction. Don't know really what I'm going to say in the description, but got a few items we're going to run through to show you. And then we'll also have it around the horn today as well, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and check some things out. Hope you enjoy this video.
I'm gonna have you guys roll. So 15, 15, I'm gonna have 15. I'm gonna have 15, 17 and a half, 17 and a half. 15, 17 and a half, 17 and a half, 15, 17, 50. So $15. And what's your number, sir? 60, 70, no 80, no 80, 90, no 100, 110, 110, 20, 30, 30, 40, 35, 35, 35, sold it, $130. 38 to buyer, 38, 21, $85. Sad, but it does have a good title. Any questions here? We're going to get forward. Salvage buyers, take a look here, and I get 2.5, 500. 2.5 and a 5. What am I? 250 people and a 5. Give me 300. 3 now, 400. We're on the web. 300 people and a 400. Buy here. 300 and a 400. Buy here. Now $400. I'm at 300 people and a 4. And now 5. Internet 500. And now 600. I'm 500 now 600. My internet's on. 500 now 6. I'm 500 people. How about 550 on that pickup? 5.5. A lot of good parts. 5.5. I'm 500 people now 5.5. 550. 5.5. 5.5. 5.5 and a half. Full truck, $500 to the World Wide Web. Buyer number 30. Here, I got 300 on the web. We'll run right from there. Now 400. I'm at 300 people now 400 buy here. 300 now 400 buy here. Now $400. Give me 350. I'm at 300 people now 3.5. 300 now 350 to buy here. Now 3.5. $350 on the car. I'm at 300 people now 3.5. 300 now 350. Give me a quarter then. 325. I'm at 300 people now 325. 300 now 325. We're done. 3 1/4. 3 1/4 night. Now half. Internet 350. I'm 3 1/4 people now 3.5. Lick your fingers and hit the button. 3.5. 3 1/4 people now 3.5. 350. Are we done? 3.5. 3.5 and I sold on the ground. $325.
152.
152. The winner. 400 quarter. 400 people now 425. 4 1/4. 4 1/4. 4 1/4 and I sold to the web. $400. And that's number 3082, and he takes all 5 times the money. 5 times the money is now 2,500. How much you found people now 25? What am I here? 2,000 people now 25. Now $3,000. Now 3. How much 2,500 people now about 27.50. How much 2,500 people now 7. Your choice on the tanks 27.5. I have 2,500 with Alvy. Ask it 2,600. How much 25 people now 600. Am I here? 26. Now 7. 2,700. Your choice tank 2,700. I'm at 2,600 people now 7. Now 800. And now 9. 2,900. They're goodbye. 2,900. I'm at 29. $3,000. Now 3,100. I'm at 2,000 people now 31. I'm gonna buy here. 2,000 people now 31. And I buy 3,100. 31. He's shaking his head no. 3,100. Oh, no. 31 and I sold out. All right. Any questions here? I'll sell them to you here. I got 500 to start. 600. 500 people now 600 buy 700 buy now 700. 600 people now 700 buy here. 600 people now 700 buy here. Now 700 give me 650. 600 people now 6.5. 600 people now 6.5. Thank you. 700. You're out again. 7. 7.5. 800. 8.5. 8.5, 8.5, 900, and now 9.5, 9.5, $1,000. 950 people now 1,000, 10.5, 1050 now 1050. Like buying brand new, 10.5. $1,000 now 10.5, $1,000 now 10 1/4. Thank you. Now half. 10.5, 75. 1075. 1050 people now 1075, 1075, 75, 75, and I sold it 1,050. Put it on number 933. The back one. It's a poly tank. Yeah, there we go.
It's 3,000.
All right, we have a misprint there, ladies and gentlemen. It is a 3,000-gallon tank, not a 2,750. Nathan went to a local school out here, and they didn't quite teach him how to read numbers yet. But that's why they sent them to auction school. We're going to say that poly tank in the back with the ball valve on it right there, and what are you going to get for it? 100, now 2. $100, now 2, now 300, now $300. And now 400, and now 400. The big poly tank, 400, now 5, and now 500, now $500, $600, now 6, $700, now 700. How about 600, now 700? Give me 650 real quick. 6.5. That's 700. I got it on the web. 7. Now half. That's 700. Now half. 800. That's 700. $800 internet. You're out at 800. We got 750 on the ground. I'm asking for 800. And now 8.5 on the ground. 850. 800. 8.5. Now 900. 900. I have 850 bid asking 900. 850 bid 900 by internet. If you want that poly tank, hit your button. 900. 850 bid 900 by 900. 900 to 9. Sold the ground. $850.
91.
9. Now 10,000. 8. Now 9. Now 8. 9. Now 10. Now 11. Now 11. Now 12. Now 13. Now 12. But now 13,000 to buy here. 12,000. But now 13,000 to buy here. Now 13,000. I have 12,000 a current. Make me 12.5. 12.5. I'm at 12,000. But now 12.5. Hey, 12,000. But now 12,005. Now 13,000. You're out on the ground. 13,000. We're on the web. I'm at 12.5, be able to now 13,000 to buy. He 12.5, be able to now $13,000. I have 12.5 on the internet. I'm asking for 13. Take 13. Now 5. I'm at 13, be able to now 13.5. Your other internet bidder is knocked out. 13.5.
2.5.
13, 2.5 on the ground. 13.5. Both internet bidders are out. 13.5. I'm at 13, 2.5, be able to now 13.5. Hey, 13, 2.5, be able to now 13.5. 13, 2.5. Now 7.5. 13,750. 13,006. 13,500, now 13,600 buy. 13,600, 13,600 and a half. Sold her 13,500 and number 30. It's got the big readout on the side, plus the remote readout for the cab. You have the remote one here? We don't have that?
No, we got the scale. Yeah, we got the scale. It's in the shop.
It's in the shop. We'll get that to the new buyer. We'll get the scale that goes in the tractor. The side one is here, but we'll go get the one that goes with it. It's in the shop. Now the 2 extra tires will be sold separate. Any questions anybody may have? All right, we're going to sell that farm-aid mixer wagon right here, and what are you going to get for it? I'd like $25,000. The tires are separate. Any questions here? Come on, sell them to you. You can get 7,500. Now 10. I'm 7,500. Now 10,000 to buy. He's 10, 12,500. I'm 12,500. Now 15. Yeah, 75. And now 75, 20. 22,500. I'm at 20,000. Now 22,500. Right over there. 20,000. 22,500. I'm at 20,000. Now 20. I thought you were in the same spot. Give me 21. Break the tie. 22. And now 3. 3. Now 4. I'm 24. Now 5,000. Now 5. Now 6. Now 7. Now 8. 28,000. Mike's in the lead. 27. Now 8. I'm at 27,000, 875, make it 28. 28,000, now 8.5. 28.5. I'm at 28. Mike's in the lead at 28,000. 8.5 to you and everybody else. 28.5, 29. 9.5, 29.5. I'm at 29, but 9.5, but now $30,000. $30,000, a Cadillac mixer, you know where it gets built. Parts are right here. 30,000, 30,500. 30,500 in the mixer wagon. I'm at 30,000, but now 30,500. I'm buying 30,000, but now 30,500. 30,250 on that local built mixer wagon. 30,000 is bid. 30,000, 2.5. You guys own the same spot. 30,000, 30,250. I'm at 30,000, but now 30,000, 2.5. Are we done? 30,250, yes or no? The woulda, shoulda, couldas will get you tomorrow. 30,000, 2.5. 2.5 and 9. Sold the mixer. $30,000, number 88 is it? I'm at 10,000, but now 12.5. He 10,000, but now 12 pound to buy here. Now 12.5. We're on the money on the web. I give me $11,000. On 10. Now 11. Now 11,000 to buy. On 10,000 bid. Now 11,000 to buy. He 10,000 bid. Now 11,000 to buy. Now 11,000. 11. Now 12. Now 11. Now 12,000 to buy. He 11.5. Now 12. Now 11.5. But now 12,000 to buy. He 11.5. But now 12,000 to buy here. Now $12,000. I have 11.5 on the web asking for $12,000 and take advantage of buying them out of season. 11.5 is the current bid. We're asking for 12,000. How about you? 12. I'm 11.5 be able to now 12,000 to buy. 11.5 be able to now 12,000 to buy. Now $12,000. 11.5 is bid. Asking 12. Let's put it in the shed and wait until spring and sell it there. 12. 12.5. And now 13. I'm at 12.5 be able to now $13,000. Internet, you're knocked out. At 12.5 bid, I'm asking for 13. I'm at 12.5 bid, now 13. Down to my 13, now 5. 13.5, 14. I'm 13.5, now 14. Down to my 14. All internet bidders. 14, 14.5. Got 3 of them. I'm at 14 bid, now 14.5. 14 pound, now 14,500 to buy here. Now 14.5. 14,500. One of you other two got to click your button. 14.5. I'm at 14 pound, maybe now 14,500 to buy. So 6 seconds delay goes up, comes back down to them. 14.5. I'm 14 pound, maybe now 14,500 to buy. Now 14.5. We done? 14.5. 14.5. 14.5 and I sold the camper. $14,000. Number 308. I'm at 30 pounds, maybe now 32.5. 30 pounds, maybe now 32.5 on a Wilson grain trailer. 30 bids, 32.5. I'm at 30 pounds, maybe now 32.5, getting 31,000. I have 30 bids, 31. I'm at 30 pounds, maybe now 31,000 to my game. 30 pounds, maybe now what? Now 2. 32,000.
Try to use campers and windbreaks.
31 to my game. 31 now $32,000. Now 32. 31 with Nathan's party. I'm asking for 32,000 in that Wilson grain trailer. 31 is bid. Now 2, now 3. I'm at 32 people now 33,000 to my game. 32 people now $33,000. Like buying brand new. 33, all aluminum rims all the way around it. 33.5, 33. That's 32.5 people now $33,000. I'm at 32.5 people now 33,000 to my game. 32.5 people now 33,000 to buy this grain trailer. 33,000. Now 33.5. 33,500 to buy here. Now 33.5. Now 5. But now 34. I'm at 33.5. People now 34,000 to buy here. 33.5. People now 4. Now 4.5. 34,500. I have 34,000 a current bid. Now 34.5. But now 35,000. 35,000 even money. 35 even money. I'm at 34.5. People now 35,000. The Bible now 35,000. The Bible now 35,000 on the grain trailer. You price them new. You know what they cost. 35,000. 34.5. People now 35,000. The Bible now 35. What's he saying? 35,000. 35,000. 35,000. Yes or no? 35,000 buy. 35. 35 and I. Now 35.5. 35.5. We'll give you the same time. 35.5. I'm at 35.5. Now $36,000. 35.5 is bid. Asking 36,000. 36. Thank you. 36 and I sold it. 35,500. Thanks for the patience. The buyer number is. Look at the engine compartment on that one. It's got a cam in it. You can hear it. It is carbureted. Anybody have any questions before we get started on that vintage car?
It's fine. I have the thing that happens for it right now. It's stuck in neutral.
Okay.
I can shift the drive real easy, but I gotta get it moving to get it back to park.
Right. The shifting linkage might need a little attention. It sometimes sticks in neutral.
It's in neutral right now.
It's in neutral right now, so we want to call that. It's got a little, you're going to have to do a little something with the shifting on it. It might be a little flopped out or loose. We're not sure what it is. But that is definitely a built motor in it, as you guys can hear. Anybody have any other questions on that? Again, you get a good, clean title. We'll send it to you via certified mail in 10 business days. What are you going to get for it? Like $25,000 to start? Anybody want to bid here? I got 10, 12, 5. I'm at the down, people now 12, 5. He's down 11, now 12. I'm number now 12, now 13. Down to 11, now 13. I'm so down, people now 13. Down to buy, he's 12, people now $13,000. Yeah, 14. I'm at 13, people now 14. Down to buy, he's 13, people now $14,000. I'm at 13, people now 14. Down to buy, we're on the ground at 13. I'm asking for $14,000. I'm at 13, people now 14. Down to buy, look at the interior, look at the bodywork. You don't have to do anything to it, but put yourself in and drive it, enjoy it. 13, now 14. I'm at 13, people now 14. 13 times. I'm at 13 pounds, people now 13,500. I'm at 13,500. I'm at 13 pounds, people now 13,500. 14 out, figure out. 14,000. Now 5 internet. 14 times. I'm at 14 pound, building on 14,500 on 14,500 internet. Thank you, 15,000. 15,000, 15,500 internet, 15,500. I'm at 15,000, building on 15,500, 15,000, number on 15,500. Take back to high school, 15,500. I'm at 15,000, building on 15,500, 15,000 on 15,500. I met that one lay up Blackie on down the street from Corsico, wasn't it? Which night late at night, 15,500. I'm 15,000, building on 15,500, 16,000, you're out again. 16,000, 16,500 internet, you're out. 16,500. I'm 16,000, building on 16,500, 16,000, building on 16,500 internet, you're out. 16,500, take her to Mitchell. 16,500. I'm at 16,000, building on 16,500. I'm 16,000, building on 16,500. Are you all done? 16,500. I'm at 16,000, building on 16,500. 16,000, building on 16,500. 16,2.5. Thank you. 16,500. 16,500. Now 7.5. I'm 16,500, building on 16,750. Building on 16,750 internet. 16,750 once more. 16,750. Are you done? 16,750. Yes or no? 16,750. Yes or no? 16,750 and I have. Hold the car. $16,500. But the miles are correct. Any questions on that Ford? It's a 95. I think Mr. Timmermans' fingers did a little walk in there. It's a 19 and 90. It's correct on the internet.
That's the main part.
All right, it's a 19 and 95, ladies and gentlemen. Want to make sure that is correct. Anybody else have any other questions here? I have 2,500 to start. Give me 3. Now 35. You're down, people. Now 35. What am I? Now 4,000. Now $4,000. You guys in the same spot? 34. Now 4. I'm 35. Now 4. Now 4,500. 45. Now 5. And now 5,500. 5,500. 2.5. Thanks. 5,500. 55. Now 7. I am 57.50. 55. $6,000. Now 6. Now $6,000 even. Now 2.5. 62.50. How much pound able now 2.5? He's down double now 62. Get about he's 62.50. 6,000 is big to be 6,100. 61. Pound able now 61. 100 buy. He's down able now 61. 100 buy. 6,100. 61 buy. 61. 61. 1.5. Full pickup. $6,000 to buy your numbers. 3009. Now up next we have a 67 John Deere 3040 diesel synchro, 15,538 rubber. Put brand new batteries in it, fired right to light. You look around it, the hood's nice and straight, the fenders aren't all rusted out, got thousands of holes in them. The front end is good and tight on it.
I drove it down the road, it drives nice, it needs a muffler.
Needs a muffler, exhaust is busted on it right there. Drives down the road nice. Ladies and gentlemen, any questions before we get started? We're going to get forward to the amount right here. I got 5,000 to start. 7,500. 5,000 people now 75. 5,000. We're on the money. 5,000. $6,000. 5,000 people now 6,000. We've had a lot of bidding from 3 different guys from the start. I got 5,000. $6,000. I'm at 5,000 people now 6,000. I'm money 5,500. I'm at 5,000 people now 55. Look at the rubber on it. 5,000. 2.5. I'm at 5,000 people now 52.5. 5,000 people now 52. Look at my here. Now 2.5. I have 5,000 on the left. We're asking for 52.50. I'm at 5,000 people now 52.5. 5,000 people now 52. How about 5,100? 51. They all got the bid before we got to it. 52. Internet, you're out. 2. Now 3. 52 people now 53. Now 52 people now 53. 4. 5,400 internet. I'm at 53 people now 54. To my 52 people now 54. To my now 5,400. 54 to my white internet. 54 to my 54. 4 and I have. Total ground 5,300. Sell it as a unit. Nathan's got the key. He's going to fire it up. You don't have a key? Uh-oh, someone's got the key.
Check your other pocket.
And I don't have a McCormick key in my ring. I got a Magnum key. I don't think that'll fit.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, we found it. We checked this tractor out. We believe everything to be working, do we not? We don't know of anything majorly wrong with it.
No, it's they've never done. They bought it brand new. They never did anything to it. It's been a good tractor.
It's got original motor, trans, clutch. Nothing's been done to it. A lot of hours. The motor goes. You bet. You buy the whole family to go. If you need some assistance getting that motor on, you'll have to wait until we have some time. We'll try to help you, or if you want to just load the loader and take it home, put it on your place, we can do that as well. Anybody have any questions before we roll? You buy the whole family to go. Anybody have any questions? What did I get for the McCormick right here? Like $30,000 for Montana. I get 15, now 20, 75, now 20, 75, maybe now 20,000 to buy here. 75, now 20,000 to buy here. Now $20,000 loader and all. 75 bid, now 20, 75, maybe now 20,000 to buy here. 75, maybe now 20,000 to buy here. 18, now 19, now 19. I got 18, 5, 19, 19, now 5, 19, maybe now 19, 5, 19, down, now 19,000 here, now $20,000, and now 20,000. I'm a 19, 5, maybe now 20,000 to buy, now 20,500, 20,500. I'm a 20,000, maybe now 20,500 to buy. I'm on the web at 20. I'm asking for 20,500, and now 21, $21,000. I'm a 20,500, maybe now 21,000 to buy, 20,500, maybe now $21,000. 21, if you guys put 21, 1, 5, 21, 5, I'm at 21, be able to 1, 5 on the internet, 21, be able to 1, 5. If you put 3,000, 4,000 against the loader, you ain't got much in the tractor. 21, 5, and now 22. I'm at 21, 5, be able to now 22,000 to buy. 21, 5, be able to now $22,000. $22,000, ladies and gentlemen. 22, 25. Look at the rubber all the way around it. 22.5. I'm at 22,000, be able to now 22.5. He were on the web at 22. I'm asking for 22.5. I'm at 22, be able to now 22.5. He 25, 23. 23 internet, you're out again. $23,000. I'm at 22.5, be able to now 23,000 to buy. He 22.5, be able to now 23. Very handy size for Feedlot. 3.5. 23.5, out again. I'm at 22,000, be able to now 23,000 buy. 24,000 back to the internet. 23.5 bid, 24, and now 4.5. We're out again on the ground, 24.5. I'm at 24,000, be able to now 4.5. He 24,000, be able to now 24,500 to buy. 24.5, and now 25,000. 25 internet. I have 5. We're out again. 25.5. I have 25 on the internet. 25.5.
He wants to know what state
What state we're bidding against? Home state. Home state. I have 25,000 bid. 25.5. 25.5. I'm at 25,000. Maybe not 25,500. I'm at 25.5. 26. Internet $26,000. I'm at 25.5. Maybe not 26,000. I'm at $26,000. Hit your button if you want in. 26,000 to buy. 25.5. Maybe not 26,000. 26, thank you. Now 6.5. I'm at 26,000, be able to now 6.5. He 26,000, be able to now 26,500 to buy. 26.5, 27 internet. 27,000. I'm at 26.5, be able to now 27,000 to buy. He 26.5, be able to now 27,000 to buy. 27,000. I'm waiting to hit your button if you want it. 27 and I have. It's on the ground. 26.5. Put it on number.
176.
It does have your mid-mount for if you want to put a loader on it. It does have the joystick that's factory in it. It sure seems to check out okay. I know they were using it around here for disc and some rut shut. Didn't seem to find anything wrong with it. So ladies and gentlemen, buying confidence, one of the most popular tractors next to a 4440 or a 4020 that John Deere ever made is the 7800 Power Shift. Buying confidence right here. She's good from the front to back. Any questions? What did I get for it? Like 35,000. Set them off right here, and I get 17 pine. Now 20. 17 pine, be able to now 20,000 to buy. He 17 pine, 22.5. I'm at 20,000, be able to now 22.5. He 20,000, 2 pine, but now 25. And now 25,000 to buy, but now $25,000. I'm at 22 pine, be able to now 25,000 to buy. He 22 pine, be able to now $25,000. 25. And now 5. We got it? Yes. And now 7.5. I'm at 25,000, be able to now 7.5. He 25, but now 27.5. 26. Now 27. And now $27,000. I'm at 26,000, be able to now 7,000 to buy. He 26,000, be able to now 27,000. I have 26,000 bid. Now 7. 7. Now 8. And now 28,000 to buy. He 27,000, 8. Now 9. Now $29,000, sir. Now $29,000. I have 28,000 our current bid. I'm asking for 29 to you, sir. 29. Internet, you can chime in if you want. 29, hit your button. I'm at 28,000, be able to now 29,000 to buy. 29, now 30. I'm at 29, be able to now 30,000 to buy. 9.5, now 30. 29.5 bid, now 30. I'm at 29.5, be able to now 30,000 to buy. 29.5, be able to now 30,000 to buy, but now $30,000. 29.5 is bid, asking 30. And now 30,000 to buy. I'm waiting for you, sir. 30,000 to buy. 29.5, be able to now 30,000 to buy. 30,000, thank you for your help. 30,000 to buy. 30,000, 30,000. Oh, we're done. 30,000 to buy. Hold Mike's away.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. And if you were wondering about today's auction, this is what it was. It was the feedlot auction. We also don't know. Wieman has a couple of nice land auctions coming up. One's right here and the other one's right there. So you can check those out at WiemanAuction.com. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless.